Hey guys, this is how to add friends on Monopoly Go. So if you open up Monopoly Go and you look at the bottom right corner, you're going to find an option that says friends. So just click on that. And then make sure that add friends is selected. And now you're going to have two options for adding friends, contacts and invite. So through the contacts, just click on the phone number or the phone icon, and then click on add contacts. Then you're going to need to enter your phone number. And once you enter your phone number, just click on continue. And you're going to get sent a verification code. And once you get the verification code, you just enter it in the game. And you're going to be able to add your contacts on Monopoly Go. And now if you want to do the other option, which is the invite, just click on the invite button. And now you're going to have two options: to make an invitation post through Facebook, or just copy an invitation link. So if you want to do the latter invitation link, just click on the yellow button and then click on copy. And now you copied an invitation link, and you can share this with your friends or on social media, and people just add you through the link on Monopoly Go. And yeah, this is how easy it is to add people on Monopoly Go. Hope that video is helpful.